Welcome. Today I'm joined with Mr. Dinesh Weerakkody, founder and president of Law Help Australia, a blog and television program that provides tips and updates on the law. So Dinesh, tell me, why did you start Law Help Australia?
Carl, when I started my practice in the suburbs, I also wanted to get involved in other issues, other legal issues, environmental law, human rights law, immigration law. Plus, because of my background, I developed links with groups and peoples from a culturally and linguistically diverse backgrounds. So I was invited to give information at various seminars and elder groups on elder abuse and such. So I wanted to access a wider audience. So I thought television and social media is the best. Right. So that prompted me to start Law Help Australia.
You basically have a panel of people coming onto the television programs and talking about various topics.
Yeah, usually we get people with authority and people who can give accurate information, expert lawyers. In the past, we've invited Victoria Police, councils and barristers, legal aid, Attorney General, Law Institute, people like that who could give accurate and correct information and tips to the public.
And have you seen the effects of Law Help Australia in the community?
Yes, I've been getting emails as well as feedback from the public and YouTube and especially Facebook clips have been popular, apart from, of course, the Channel 31 TV.
How do volunteers get involved, and also what do they do as a part of Law Help Australia?
So one of the first episodes was during the state elections. Just before the state elections, we've got the Attorney General, the President of the Law Institute, and also the Speaker, the current Speaker. He was a shadow at that time. And the call to parties agenda was developed by the Law Institute, and we wanted to do more research and to be sort of a Law Help wanted to bring those issues and ask responsible people about those things and what they do. So we wanted to do more research, and experts can come on the panel as well and give us tips and give us more links and maybe bring to our attention certain issues that they think that the public needs to be aware of as well.
And how can people get involved? A law student or a young lawyer get involved in Law Help Australia?
Or they can just go to our website and there is a link so they can express their interest to join us. And recently we've initiated a project with the Swinburne University Law School.
Right.
We were able to design an assignment based on that, and I'm encouraged by the dean, and also the students have embraced the program. So we are getting now students to research and get into enabling them to give some help, information, tips to the public as well.
This sort of helps with their communication skills.
As well, because usually it's not only the academic knowledge that is needed, it's you need to develop the skills to explain things in a plain language, and also to develop their social responsibilities and attitudes as well.
And talking about your past projects, have there been any big highlights that you would like to share with us?
And from the emails that we get, we see people have really, there is a need for information in various areas, like for example, in immigration law, there are clinics for refugees, but for people who have now is living in Australia or Victoria, they need assistance in various areas. Right. So there is, as far as we are aware, there is no such organization that gives information, at least at the basic level. And also for mental health, now it's a big issue. So when the president of the Mental Health Tribunal comes on our program and delivers the required information with legal aid, those are our highlights.
So thank you, Dinesh.
Thank you for inviting me, Carl.
Law Help Australia airs on Channel 31 at 6 p.m. on a Sunday, and also its blog is available online for free for anyone to look at and share their comments. We look forward to seeing you getting involved with Law Help Australia, and wish you all the best.